Alright, so the probability we get the shade is the area of this shade divided by the area of the whole circle. So the circle on the bottom, and to get the shade's area, we'll take the entire circle and then subtract the white triangle in the middle, and that will leave over the blue shade that we need. So the area of the circle, pi r squared, minus the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 base times height, divided by the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. Alright, so this 8 is the base of the triangle that will go here. And what about the height of this triangle? If we drop an altitude down, then this 60-degree angle was cut in half on top, giving us a 30, 60, 90. So if the hypotenuse is 8 and the short leg is 4, the long leg is 4 times root 3. And that's the height of the triangle. Which means now we just need the radius of the circle. Let's redraw this a little bit. Alright, we need the radius of the circle. Let's drop an altitude here. And now we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle there in yellow. We know that the base was 8, so in the yellow triangle, that long leg is 4. And we need the radius, but to do that, to find that, we're going to first get the short leg. And the short leg, once we know it, will be doubled to give us the radius. And if we knew it, we'd multiply it times root 3 to get the long leg. So going backwards, it'll be the long leg divided by root 3. Which means the radius, or the hypotenuse, will be the short leg times 2. Which is 8 over root 3. And there's our radius. Which gives us a numerator and denominator like that, which is approximately a probability of 0.5865, or roughly 58.7%.